Welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to present the top 5 best universal travel adapters for 2025. These adapters have been carefully selected for their superior performance, versatility, and safety features, ensuring your devices stay charged wherever you travel. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first international trip, these adapters will simplify your journey. Stay tuned until the end to discover our top pick and learn expert tips on choosing the perfect travel adapter for your needs. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The FOVAL Power Adapter, a must-have for anyone who travels internationally. This versatile power adapter allows you to use your American electronics in over 160 countries. With multiple safety features and a compact design, it's perfect for all your travel needs. Let's explore its amazing features. The FOVAL Power Adapter comes with one EU power cable and 4 international adapters, allowing you to use it in more than 160 countries, including the United Kingdom, Italy, Australia, Japan, and China. It steps down all voltages to US voltage, making it incredibly versatile for international travel. This power converter supplies 230 watts with 2 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously, including your hair straightener, laptop, CPAP machine, electric shaver, and more. It's designed to meet all your charging needs efficiently. The FOVAL Power Adapter is equipped with a silent fan and auto shutdown features for surge protection, overheating, short-circuiting, overcurrent, and overload. This ensures that your devices are always safe from damage while charging. No more worries about power surges or overheating. With a compact size of 4.8 by 3.1 by 1.5 inches and a 5 feet detachable power cable, this power adapter is easy to pack and carry. Its lightweight design makes it convenient for travel, so you can take it with you anywhere you go and always have a reliable power source. Certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS industry standards, the FOVAL Power Adapter guarantees safety and reliability. Please note that it's not designed for use with hair dryers and household appliances over 230 watts. It's perfect for your everyday travel electronics, providing peace of mind wherever you are. In conclusion, the FOVAL Power Adapter is an essential travel companion for anyone who travels internationally. With its worldwide compatibility, multiple device support, safety features, compact design, and certifications, it's the perfect solution for your charging needs on the go. Number 4. The TESSAN Universal Adapter, a versatile travel adapter that covers over 150 countries. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, this adapter ensures your devices stay charged and ready to go. Let's explore its fantastic features. The TESSAN Universal Adapter supports multiple plug types, covering countries like France, Germany, the UK, Australia, Japan, and the USA. It's suitable for worldwide travel, allowing you to connect your devices effortlessly wherever you are. Say goodbye to multiple adapters and hello to convenience. This adapter is equipped with 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, delivering up to 2.4A and 3A respectively. Ideal for charging your cell phone, tablet, laptop, and camera, the USB ports output 5V 3.4A, 17W max. Keep all your essential devices powered up on the go. The TESSAN adapter features a universal AC outlet and 4 USB charging ports, supporting up to 2,500 watts. It can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for hotels, bedrooms, and dorm rooms. Enjoy the convenience of charging multiple devices at once. This adapter converts plugs from US, EU, AU, and UK to Type A, allowing you to use electronics from different countries in the USA. Note that it's not a voltage converter and is only compatible with 100V to 250V wide voltage devices. It's versatile and user-friendly for all your travel needs. Designed with portability in mind, the TESSAN Universal Adapter is compact and lightweight, easily fitting into luggage and briefcases. It features a double fuse, integrated security shutters, and no surge protection, making it safe for use on cruise ships. Travel confidently with this reliable adapter. In conclusion, the TESSAN Universal Adapter is a must-have for any frequent traveler. With its universal compatibility, multiple charging ports, versatility, and portable design, it's the perfect companion for your international adventures. Number 3. The OREI Travel Adapter Kit, the perfect companion for your globetrotting adventures. This adapter kit ensures your devices stay charged no matter where you are. With its compact design and powerful features, it's a must-have for any traveler. Let's dive into its features. The OREI Travel Adapter Kit is perfect for charging a variety of devices, including cell phones, MacBooks, laptops, tablets, cameras, and GoPros. It handles worldwide voltage, making it incredibly versatile for international travel. No more worrying about finding the right adapter for your devices. This power strip is compact yet powerful, with the ability to charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It features 3 USB inputs, 1 PD18W USB-C, and 2 USA outlets. This makes it convenient to charge multiple devices at once, saving you time and hassle. The OREI adapter works in most parts of the world, including North America, the UK, Europe, Australia, Japan, and China. With multiple plug types, you can use it in over 150 countries. An extension cord is also included for those hard-to-reach outlets. Equipped with built-in surge protection, this adapter safeguards your high-end electronics from harmful voltage surges and spikes. It features a safe grounded connection and a voltage indicator light, ensuring your devices are always protected while charging. Travel with peace of mind knowing your electronics are safe. The OREI Travel Adapter Kit comes with a 1-year warranty, providing added assurance of its quality and reliability. However, please note that this adapter is only compatible with dual voltage products and electronics. It will not work with 110V items like hair clippers or CPAP machines. In conclusion, the OREI Travel Adapter Kit is an essential tool for any traveler. With its perfect compatibility, compact design, advanced safety features, and worldwide usage, it ensures your devices stay charged and protected wherever you go. Number 2. The BESTEK Travel Adapter, a versatile and essential tool for all your international travels. This adapter ensures you can charge your devices safely and efficiently no matter where you are in the world. Let's explore its fantastic features. The BESTEK Travel Adapter converts all countries' voltage to US voltage. It's ideal for charging multiple devices when traveling abroad, making it a convenient and versatile choice for your international adventures. Say goodbye to voltage worries and enjoy seamless charging. Equipped with 4 smart USB charging ports, the BESTEK adapter includes 2 high-output 2.4A USB ports for power-hungry devices and 2 universal 1A charging ports for other USB-powered devices. With a total output of 5V6A, you can easily charge your phone, tablet, camera, and more simultaneously. The compact size of the BESTEK travel adapter and its 5 international travel adapters make it easy to take on the go. It powers your devices in more than 160 countries, ensuring you have a reliable power source no matter where you travel. This adapter features an all-in-one design with 3 AC outlets and 4 smart USB charging ports, along with 1 EU detachable power cable. It enables you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, providing a convenient and efficient solution for all your charging needs while on the move. Safety is a top priority with the BESTEK travel adapter. It is TVSD listed and NRTL safety tested, with built-in overcurrent, overtemperature, overload, and short-circuit protection. This ensures your devices are always protected from potential electrical hazards, giving you peace of mind. In conclusion, the BESTEK travel adapter is a must-have for any traveler. With its voltage conversion capabilities, multiple USB ports, compact design, all-in-one functionality, and safety features, it's the perfect companion for your international trips. Number 1. The Ceptics Travel Adapter, a versatile and compact power adapter perfect for globetrotters. Whether you're charging your cell phone, laptop, or tablet, this adapter has got you covered. Let's explore its incredible features and see why it's a must-have for your travels. The Ceptics Travel Adapter is equipped with 2 USA outlets, 2 USB ports with Quick Charge 3.0, and an attached USB-C cable. It's perfect for travel, allowing you to use cell phones, laptops, and other devices anywhere in the world. This adapter simplifies your charging needs with its comprehensive design. Designed by travelers for travelers, the Ceptics adapter is ultra-compact, measuring just 2.75 inches by 3.75 inches by 1.5 inches and weighing less than 5 ounces. It comes with a travel pouch, making it easy to carry. Compatible with fast quick charge devices like Samsung Galaxy and tablets, it's an essential travel companion. Safety is a priority with the Ceptics travel adapter. It features built-in surge protection to protect your electronics from voltage surges and spikes. The voltage indicator light shows 110V or 220V, ensuring you know the current voltage. Note that this is not a voltage converter, so it's important to use it with compatible devices. The kit includes 6 adapters covering Europe, UK, US, Australia, China, Germany, France, and Japan. This compatibility ensures you can use it in most parts of Europe, Asia, and more. Other SWAT-apt attachments are available separately for even broader compatibility. The Ceptics travel adapter comes with a 2-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind for your purchase. It's compatible with electronics and chargers for worldwide voltage. However, it's not suitable for 110V AC-only devices like some hair clippers and dryers, so keep that in mind. In conclusion, the Ceptics travel adapter is a versatile and reliable choice for any traveler. With its international compatibility, compact design, built-in surge protection, and multiple adapters, it ensures your devices stay charged and safe.